Okay, guys, so this is a website, just to solve puzzle and the money. So I'm gonna just take you through to this website, and how you can earn and how much I've earned on this website and stuff. So in order for you to withdraw your earnings, you need to have a PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, I'll leave a link in the description, and I will leave a link in the description for this um website and stuff. So this is the website now. I'm in a dashboard of the website now. So instant result, cash out, you play like certain puzzle. Like if you got it right, and then you're gonna win more. So this is the website, guys. So guess the hidden word, and then yeah, this is the website dashboard. So sign up and play. Solve 5 clues, win $15, and 4 clues, $5 at least, and then 3 clues, yeah, like $2, 2 clues, $1, 1 clues, 0.5 cent. So you can apply a coupon. So just I'll leave all in the description to get like free token and stuff when you sign up to this website, folks. So without wasting any time, let me just show you how you can register here if you are new. So you just enter email, enter password, confirm password, and then you must enter a valid address, because they're going to send you to confirm it. So make sure it's valid. So me, I already have an account here, so I'm just gonna log in here. Boom, 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 boom. Just gonna log in. Yeah, this is my dashboard. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show you so let me just show you my wallet. So right now I have like $20.5. So I've been earning this money, so right about now I'm just gonna show you throwing in this money here. So yeah, I'm gonna just cash out here. So you need a PayPal, so I'll leave a link on the description, and make sure you just sign up there and link with your credit card or something like that. So one thing you should know here, the minimum like withdrawal here is $20. So if you reach that threshold, and then you're good to go, you can withdraw your earnings and stuff. So I'm gonna just draw. So yeah, this is my PayPal email and stuff. So I'm just gonna click on cash out. Request save successfully. Your money will be transferred very soon in your PayPal account. Okay, so let me just check my wallet and see whether, damn, yeah, I've cashed out $20.5. So closing balance is 8.297. I don't know what it means, but let me just show you on my email. So yeah, now I'm in my email. So yeah, it's 10:32. So let me just show you. Yeah, here's my earning, guys. So yeah, so make sure you check that out, this site, and then yeah, and just keep on earning. So without wasting your time, guys, make sure you just subscribe to this channel and share with your loved one. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Make sure you like and yeah, comment and follow me on Instagram and stuff at Sibo Victor SA. So guys, bye bye.